Hey everyone, welcome back to the English Podcast Show, where you learn to speak real, natural, and confident English for everyday life and work. Today we're going to talk about a super practical topic, English for office and work meetings. If you ever feel nervous or unsure about what to say in meetings, don't worry. In this episode, I'll teach you the most useful phrases and expressions you can use to sound confident and professional. Let's get started. Starting the meeting. If you're the person leading the meeting, here's how you can begin. Good morning, everyone. Let's get started. Thank you for joining. Let's begin with today's agenda. I hope everyone's doing well. Shall we start? And if you're just attending, a simple good morning or sounds good works perfectly. 2, giving updates. Now, meetings usually start with updates. What's done, what's in progress, and what's next. Here are some natural ways to give updates in English. Let me give you a quick update on our progress. We've completed the first stage of the project. We're currently working on the next phase. So far, everything is going smoothly. You can also add linking words like, in addition to that, however, or on top of that to sound fluent and professional. 3, giving opinions confidently. One of the best ways to sound confident in a meeting is by giving your opinion clearly and politely. Instead of always saying, I think, try these alternatives. In my opinion, this could help us save time. From my perspective, that's a great idea. I believe this approach might work better. It seems to me that we should try another method. And if you don't agree with someone, you can still sound polite. I see your point, but I think we could also consider another option. That's a good idea, but maybe we should look at it from a different angle. 4, asking for clarification. Sometimes you might not fully understand something in a meeting, and that's totally okay. Here's how to ask for clarification in a professional way. Could you please clarify what you mean by that? I'm sorry, could you repeat that? Just to make sure I understand correctly, can you explain that a bit more? And if someone asks you to clarify, you can reply with, sure, what I meant was, let me rephrase that. 5, making suggestions. Meetings are all about sharing ideas. Here are some natural ways to make suggestions. How about trying this approach? What if we focus more on marketing? Maybe we could test this idea first. I'd like to suggest an alternative solution. And when you agree with someone's idea, you can respond with, that's a great point. I totally agree with you. Exactly. You're absolutely right. 6, ending the meeting. And finally, how do you end the meeting smoothly? That's all for today's meeting. Let's summarize the main points before we finish. Thank you, everyone, for your time and ideas. We'll follow up on this next week. Before leaving, it's always nice to say, thanks for the update, or have a great day, everyone. And that's it for today's episode of the English Podcast Show. Now you know how to speak confidently and naturally in office meetings, from starting and giving updates to sharing opinions and ending professionally. If you found this episode helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more real-life English lessons every week. Thanks for listening, and remember, speak English with confidence, not perfection. See you in the next episode.